Unique design effectively grips broken threads and removes them from the dart barrel. Two-piece tool works in unison to extract the damaged shaft or point. Extends the life of your dart barrels by removing broken shafts and points, allowing them to be replaced. Sleek black color is a match with most dart cases and wallets. Attached chain ensures you are never without this essential tool. Simple design is easy to use time and again, truly invaluable for causal and competitive dart players alike. Top reviews from the United States. I had to use it for the first time today, and it was easier than I imagined it'd be. Had a plastic shaft break off in the barrel, and this thing walked it out like four-wheel drive in mud. Seriously, it was so easy. I'm glad I had it already, and it's been less than a month since I purchased one. It surprised me 'cause it's the first stem I had break off, but it worked like a champ. I didn't have to fight it, and I had no problem getting it out in less than 10 seconds. If you're in a league or compete, I'd suggest getting one of these bad boys. Definitely not a waste of money.